Hayibo, eyakho ingane, mina ngithanda wena. Yes, angikuyeke vele ngoba nobaba wengane wamyeka.
So there's a clip that is going viral that is circulating of Mthombeni with Mpumelelo ne. In the clip, they ended up talking about women with kids. So he was warning Mpumelelo against that. He ended up saying things like, oh, you can't be with a woman with a kid who already has a kid because that woman is going to impose their child onto you. So you can't do that. They'll be saying things to you like, you can't love me and not love my kid, meaning they'll be imposing their kid on you. So you can't do that. Tell me how this man is audacious enough to say all these things, having married Mangwabe, knowing very well that she had a child prior to their marriage. Is this the reason why there's so much conflict between the two of them? Is he low-key telling us that he loves Mangwabe, but he cannot love her child? And he's so passionate about this. You know, when somebody says something that you can hear or see that it comes from the depth of their heart, the depth of their soul, he's like that. He's saying things like, then you end up having conversations like, oh, I might as well leave you because your baby daddy left you as well. Hi, Bubabake.
Lesikhathi leso Mpumelelo uzosithatha sokumanage that outside the relationship are involved kuyo. Secondly, women with children bayathanda ukuba selfish, bayasifunza ingane. Sebebeka umgomo. Bona bathi benengane babebethi kuwena, mungathanda ingane yami singamane siya. Hayibo, eyakho ingane, mina ngithanda wena. Yes, angikuyeke vele ngoba nobaba wengane wamyeka. You see lento ukuthanda umuntu uyobona kudala ukuthi yini engaqhubekanga nobaba kaBona. Uyoba nenkani adlule lapha, uyoshaya umthetho adlule lapha abanengane zakho. Ungamislidwa futhi labantu abathi bayakhona. Bona abantu abawesi kakhulu ke lapha. Ungamthathi futhi Impumelelo uMthombeni umuntu ongasifuni.
And then I saw a lot of people reacting to this saying things like, he could have chosen to say anything, but he chose to tell the truth. This is the truth. And all those people are men. Men feel like, majority of men feel like, he's right on point. Women with kids are a no-go area. And some are saying they can be able to love a mother and their child as well. It doesn't bother them in any way. But obviously it does bother Mseleko, which is why he never took in Mangwabe's son, which is why on every account, whenever people care to listen, he was saying things like, that's Mangwabe's son. He never claims him as his own. And I've always got this underlying disrespect towards Mangwabe from him, like he thinks for some reason that he did her a favor by marrying her when she already had a kid. This was not a conversation to Mpumelelo at all. I feel like it was him low-key taking jabs at his wife. And did you see how passionate he is talking about this? Anyway, fam, without judging his views or anything like that, does he have a point? Are women with kids indeed selfish when it comes to their partners, their husbands? And this is opening up conversations around this topic. What are your thoughts? Let's continue in the comment section. Also, remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.